Dr. Ali Emre Karadeniz, the head hair transplant surgeon from AK Hair Institute, the best hair transplant in Turkey, and is recognized as one of the most skilled hair transplant surgeons in Turkey, presents his hair transplantation clinic's benefits and advantages.
The demand for hair restoration has increased in the last couple of years dramatically, and candidates are having a hard time on deciding where to have their hair transplants done. Turkey has been a rising star in the last couple of years for affordable hair transplants, with many clinics available in this country. Although the quality of hair transplants has been debatable. International patients who want to have a good hair transplant for affordable prices have tried to find a center in Turkey to have their hair transplants done. But the other side is that since it is very cheap to have a hair transplant in Turkey, in most clinics, hair transplants are done by unauthorized technicians. For these reasons, the results of these surgical procedures have not been satisfying. Turkey is a heterogeneous country where you can see the best and worst of both worlds. So you could find a very good hair clinic in Turkey, but you could also make a very bad decision. So my advice on international patients who are seeking a clinic in Turkey is to contact the clinic and the doctor directly to find out who is going to perform their surgery and to find out what their credentials are, and to decide and to contact this doctor directly and to have their examinations done, or if not possible, to have a quotation given directly by the doctor who's going to do the treatment. So in this case, they're possible to get the treatment plan done by directly the doctor who is going to do the operation himself. And they should also make sure that this doctor is prepared to do the surgery himself and is competent enough to do it. Because usually in Turkey, even if you contact the doctor, it's not going to be the doctor that's doing it. Websites are designed to make an illusion as if there's a clinic that the patient is contacting, whereas it's just a website. These health tourism agencies will be directing the patients to teams of technicians or clinics who are willing to do these surgeries, but without any professionalism. So when you search online, try and make sure that you are contacting a clinic and a doctor. Try and not go through health tourism agencies, which means that half of your money is going for the healthcare commission, not to the treatment. So contact your doctor, try and talk to him face to face on phone or even with technologies like Skype, and listen to his treatment plan and try and be convinced, by directly contacting the doctor. So in that case, a hair transplant in Turkey is good. But if you get trapped by, let's say, agencies that are just doing a web design and some internet marketing, then you end up in a no-name clinic with unauthorized personnel doing your operation. So that's the piece of advice I'd like to give you, and good luck.
PlacidWay, if you want to know more, contact us.